11th. Anyways, I'm all packed and ready to go up to True's. Just walking around with a copy in my hand. Just double checking. Cole says hello. I'll talk to him after. And anything I need to know on here. Wearing the new helmet for the first time. I figured a way to clamp you guys onto the new helmet, but it won't be staying like that. I got a better idea, and it's going to arrive on Saturday, I think. Although maybe it arrived today, I don't know. Okay, anyways, oops. Gonna put this away. Oh, I have another jacket to put on. That's right. I'm thinking, geez, I feel kind of cold here, but yeah, that's right, because I am cold because, well, you know, it is cold. All right, 2 seconds. And I'm back in black. AC/DC. I need a black jacket. Not this. Although the camouflage matches the bike. I didn't choose the camouflage. I probably wouldn't have chose it if I'd had a choice. I just saw some bikes I really liked at the Power Sports dealer, Perth Power Sports. I'll have to get used to that name because that's going to be my new shop, I guess. No more Yami-ha. This jacket's got so many goddamn zippers on it. Which one is the right one? This one. Nope. Got that one wrong, of course. I tell you, it's like it doesn't want me to go. I have been struggling, trying to get things working here. There we go. Everything. I rolled a joint for later. Get back. What happens with the joint? Yeah, even the jacket won't zip. I'm just having terrible troubles today. Fuck's sakes. God damn, man. Okay. I shouldn't have put my phone away because I need to aim the camera. So, yeah, I don't think I'll be wearing my hat in there, unfortunately. Mice, or something ate through, or moths. Oh, I'm going to need a new jacket of some type anyways. Let's see. Whoops. Come on. Oh, what the fuck? What's going on now? All right. So DJI. Suck back my coffee for a minute. Rowdy Roddy Piper hair. You kids probably won't know who he is. First of all, he was Canadian. Bet a lot of you didn't know that, eh? He was definitely Scottish. But Scottish Canadian, which a lot of people here are. So, okay. That's as tight as it's going to let me go. But the helmet fits nice and tight, so that's what we want. Well, I guess I'm not drinking my coffee anymore. Didn't think of that. I'm wearing me gloves over here. All right, on to the bike. Lots of gasoline. Excuse me. Tighten it. It's funny how that has to aim. Looks like it's aimed at the sky, and it clearly isn't. Okay, well, I'm going to double check this because I lost a bunch of footage yesterday because I didn't do it right. Just making sure here. Ooh, can't do it with that hand. Oh, yes, I can. Force myself to use this hand. That's the thing. I haven't been forcing myself to use it. When it doesn't get a chance to get used, it might heal better. All right, let's get going. I'm looking forward to this ride. Don't need any heaters. Let's go. I got all the oil, everything he said I needed to bring, so there we are. Let's get out of here. Ooh, did I park over far enough? Tight. Tight. Going over my old pipe. Nope. Nope. Yes. Oh, nope. Just brushed it. Alright, let's go in the back way. Got this nice, I don't know if you can hear me, but I got this nice windshield. And there's even I can't find it. I'm not used to all my equipment yet. Oh, that steams up, eh? There's like a sunshade in here as well, if I can find the goddamn... Where is it? Well, I guess I'm not wearing it. Thought there was a knob on the side, but can't seem to find it unless that's it right there. No. That should be it. I'm hearing this thing rattle on the side, but I can't get it to do anything. Well, fuck it. No sunshade until I figure out how to use it. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna have some mirrors, because I hate this bike without mirrors. Zip up a little more. He's on a problem with this. mine is just that little leak. I'm gonna ride her. Last one that went through here. So four-wheel drive so far. Still is packing with the sun, eh? That's slippery. With third tire. there's the man. How are you? Let me turn this damn noise machine off. Oh, okay. Starting to get used to this bike now. One thing I do keep forgetting is that power band. She kicks pretty hard up there when she's up. I don't know what I should start checking the RPM. You did put it there for me after all. But like I'm getting more competent. This was a pretty hard ride coming back here. Now if I could just remember how to take my helmet off, we'll be doing good. Okay folks, I'm going to turn this off for now. Bye bye.